Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you exported your document as a PDF file only to discover that it contains a number of errors that you overlooked? In this video, I will show you how to edit your PDF file using Microsoft Word on your PC. Let's go. For regular PDFs that are text only, you can use Microsoft Word on your PC. Please note that MS Word optimizes your file for easy text editing, so if the PDF contains graphics or other elements, the overall layout may differ from the original document. To start, launch MS Word. Click Open and locate your PDF in your folder. Click OK to choose the optimization alert and begin editing as usual. After you've finished editing, save your document back to PDF. Go to the File tab and choose the Save As option. Enter a different name so that you don't overwrite the original file. Select PDF from the Format drop-down list and save your document. Another tool I recommend is Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, which is commonly used to view or edit PDF files. This is especially useful if your PDF contains a form where you need to insert text in specific fields or add your signature. If you don't have it installed, open the Microsoft Store and search for Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Once installed, locate your PDF. Right-click on the file and select Open with Adobe Acrobat. Then, click the Fill in Form Fields button in the sidebar panel and choose whether you want to type a text or insert selection point like checkmark, cross, dot, and more. Select your preferred feature and click on the file where you want to insert characters. When typing text, click on the corresponding A button to increase or decrease the font size. You can also click the Pen tool in the sidebar to insert your signature or initials to the PDF file. Do this by either typing it, drawing it directly, or uploading your external signature photo into the app. Then drag and position it in the designated area of your PDF. Once you're done creating your changes, click the Ctrl and S keys to save as a new edited PDF document. Please note that these features are available in the free trial version, but if you need to modify existing content in your PDF, a premium subscription is required. If you want to edit your PDF with full access while preserving its original layout, you can first convert your file to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or more, depending on how the document was originally created. Use your own document converter if you already have one. Otherwise, go to the Microsoft Store, search for PDF Converter, and select one of the results that meets your needs. Personally, I like to use PDF Converter X Pro because it can convert the file to multiple formats, such as Word, Excel, and more. Upon installation, launch the program and choose your preferred format. Then upload your PDF and start the conversion process. Afterwards, open the converted file in the corresponding program and make any necessary changes to the document. When you're finished editing, make sure to save it as a PDF. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.